So under the consumer rights, first one, right to first subpoint, right to safety. Right to safety. Next, second, right to information. Right to information. Third one, right to choose. Third one, right to choose. Number 4, right to seek redressal. Right to seek redressal. SEEK, seek redressal. 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 Number 5, right to be heard. Right to be heard. HEARD, right to be heard. Number 6, subpoint number 6, right to consumer education. Right to consumer education. Up to that, all of you completed? Okay. Come to next point, consumer forums. Under the consumer rights, subpoint, fifth subpoint, right to be heard. HEARD. Shubhajyoti, right to be heard. Okay. After consumer rights, okay. Next point, consumer forums. FORUMS. Consumer forums. Okay. Under consumer forums, there is a no subpoint. Okay. Come to next point, consumer movement. Consumer movement. Consumer movement. Okay. Under the consumer movement, write down some subpoints. First one, objectives. First one, objectives. Second one, reasons. Objectives, reasons. Third one, achievements. Third one, achievements. Okay. After consumer movement, next point. Under the consumer movement, there are three subpoints. Objectives, second reasons, third achievements. Okay, done. Next point, responsibility of a consumer. Next point, responsibility of a consumer. Okay, next point, Just write down about few lines about these 2 points. First one is capital letter. Write down capital ISI. ISI mark. MARK. Write down ISI in the capital letter. Okay, mark. ISI mark. And second one AGMARK. 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 Just write down about these 2 points. Write down just few lines. So ISI mark and Agmark. Completed all of you? Okay. Next one, and finally conclusion. Conclusion, and in the last page write down the bibliography. Conclusion and bibliography. Done all of you? Yes, you have to write this one your own. Now listen me. All this information you can get from your book last chapter, Consumer Rights. All this information you can get. Okay? And also from you have your most preferable friend. That one is the internet. Bibliography means from this information about this topic from where you can get. Okay, Chetna? Okay, hold on, Anindo. I give all your answer. Also, you have whatever the question, also I have. So, I know all these things. So, don't ask me. I will say all these things. Okay? Now listen. Also, I will discuss all these points. So, don't worry. And also, you can get this information from your books because all these points are written in your book very well. Now listen. You have to complete your project within 10 to 15 pages because 5 marks only for this project plus Viva, 5 marks. So just complete within 10 to 15 pages, not less than 10, not more than 15. So clear? Now come to the type of copy. Okay, see this type, this one is your board exam, so you have to use your school practical copy. So just you contact to your school. If it is possible to come to your school and you can take your practical copy and papers, just first contact your school. If anyone face any problem, then talk with me. And next one, just you try to complete this project within 2 to 3 weeks in this month. Okay? So now, today I will not give the last date. Certificate also you can get from school. So try to complete under the 2 to 3 weeks. So I hope you can complete. Anila, all these things I will tell in the later, because it is not now possible na, students are not allowed to come to school, so just you complete your project now, and your exam, final exam, from the your CBSE side, they not give the proper information now when will be held your exam, this practical. So just you now complete this one and keep your side, okay, and just you start to write it, then I will give all the information when you submit, but try to this complete this one within this month, okay. Now listen, if it is not possible to come to school and take the pages school from the school, then you also can start to write the other practical pages, and when it is possible to take the practical board, that means then you join these pages, you can arrange under this board, okay. But either Monday or Tuesday when we have the next class, I will tell everything, okay. It is necessary to complete in, because it is board exam na, that's why. So just you collect the information and see, read your book, the last chapter, then you start, because you have so much time. And the next week I inform all these things. You write on which paper, which practical board. So don't worry, just wait. Okay, now I discuss this topic. Okay, under the introduction, who is a consumer? So any of you know that who is a consumer? The one who consume. Yes, obviously this one, Srijan, but write down the proper definition or write down the proper few lines, okay. So just like this, consumer is a person, just don't write down, listen me, you can write down yourself because very easy. A person who can buy goods and services, or who have to pay something to the shopkeeper or seller for buying goods and services, this person is called consumer. Clear, all the students? All of you clear? Okay, very good. Next, consumer exploitation, right? Consumer exploitation means what? We are the consumers, so how we are exploited by the sellers, by the shopkeepers, okay. How? If we buy something, okay, some product, in the product there is a not proper information is given, so we can be exploited by this product. Or some sellers or shopkeepers, they also give us the expired date products, okay, medicines which are very harmful to our health. Also by this we can exploit it by the shopkeepers or producer or sellers like this. So under this type of the few lines under the consumer exploitation, not more than five lines or 6 lines, okay. Now come to the problem faced by consumers. Okay, first one is black marketing. That means some shopkeepers are there who taking the higher prices whatever the actual prices of this particular product. Okay, and give the they provoked us by the various type of the advertisement. Okay, and we are just uh, forced to buy this particular product at a higher prices. So like this, these are the black marketing. Okay students, so I will discuss this one in the next class, all these points, so don't worry. After then you start this one. Okay. So wait, I will take your attendance. Okay. আহানা সাউ, অভিনন্দন কোনার, আহানা রয়, ঐতিহ্য মাহাতো, অমিত্রজিৎ হাজরা, অমৃতা রুদ্র, অনিন্দ নাগ, ইয়েস ওকে অনিন্দ, अनिशा मंडल, अनिशा मंडल, अर्णव केश, अनुराग साव, अनिशा मंडल प्रेजेंट, अनुराग साव एब्सेंट, अर्णव केश, अर्नेला कर्मकार प्रेजेंट, अस्मिता मंडल प्रेजेंट, आयुष्मान दे, विशेष रंजन प्रसाद, चेतना घोष प्रेजेंट, ओके, देवार्ग चंद्र, देवार्ग चंद्र, देवव्रत दे, दीप गोस्वामी, दीप्तिस दे, दिया कोनार, कौस्तभ मंडल, yes Dia you are present, कौस्तभ मंडल, राजाकुल हक, मेघा खातून, मेघा एब्सेंट, नीलाक्षी, पार्थिव, रिजा, रौनक, समन्विता, सम्राट, संगीता, शुभज्योति, सिद्धांत, बापन, ईशानुर प्रेजेंट, साजिदुल एब्सेंट, सौम्यदीप, सौभिक, सृजन प्रेजेंट, ओके, शुभायन, सुजल चैटर्जी, सुषमा कुमारी लोहरा, Syed Nasib Hussain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Okay, all of you. So thank you for today. So just you read this chapter, consumer awareness, and obviously you some topics, if you not understand these are, so obviously you can ask me. Okay, so just give all the problems, just try to find out all the problems from this project, and the next day you ask me. Okay, so today all of you, thank you for today, and bye bye all of you.